Hello, this is Abhinandan. Abhinandan from Bangalore right now in South Beach, Miami. Today is 16th January 2025. I'm going to take the camera right now and show you the surrounding, and I'm with a nice friend, and I'm going to introduce him to you later. We are going to make some videos today, and he's going to show a lot of places for me. Am I right, sir? Am I right?
Absolutely.
Okay, now just be like that. Okay. So here I'm there with Mr. Charles, and he's going to show me all the famous places of Miami. And what is that place? Scarface.
Yeah. And where Al Capone lived.
Oh.
And where we shoot Miami Vice.
Okay, very good. He's going to take me around. This is in Miami. I came by, I think it is 1 p.m. right, nearly 1 p.m. right now, and that is the Lincoln Road over there, and this is Washington Avenue. Okay, Rising Canes is there. Rising Canes, that's a restaurant. Okay, and let me just show you. This is a very nice place. So I started my video from here. So it's a very nice place over here at Miami South Beach. Okay, today, as I told you, that time the sound was, there was a lot of wind, I think. So he's in the room where I stay, in the house where I stay, and he is living in Miami from the last 25 years. He's a war veteran, Navy person, and his son was killed in Afghanistan, and he has 6 wives. He's going to introduce one of his wife today to me, and ex-wife. All 6 are ex-wife, and he told, I'm going to take you to some of the most prominent places. So I thought that is a trolley, and you know what, here he's sitting over there, and he was in the Navy, and there are a lot of people, so other people do not have the time, and they are doing their jobs, and he told, I know Miami Beach very nicely, the South Miami. This is the South Miami, where the South Beach is there. So he's going to take me to all the famous gangster place, all where the gangster lived. Was that Scarface? He told the Scarface movie. I thought Scarface was just a movie, but he was a real man. So where the Scarface person, the gangster from Cuba, will saw his rival. Okay, that means murder him using a chainsaw. He told, I'll take you to all those places. I told, fine. So this is Abhinandan from Bangalore in Miami from November 21st. Today is January 16th. January 16th, 2025. From November 21st, 2024, I am here in Miami. I'll be here till February, and then I'll plan to go to South America. Okay, so the weather is very nice and very cool, and let me go to another location and make the recording that time. While we are still waiting for the trolley to come. Trolleys are free, those buses are charged, and there are 2 trolleys over here. So I thought I'll still make a recording by showing the surrounding. This is called the Washington Avenue, and that side is the Lincoln Road. Okay, and this guy who's there with me, Mr. Charles, he's 62 years, always drinking. Okay, he gets his pension, and he's from Pittsburgh, but now in Miami, but he knows Miami from last 25 plus years. So when I told I have not seen anything over there in Miami, he was telling all the famous landmark. He told, I'll take you. So today we came. This is Abhinandan. So I was having some clo in my mouth, so my communication that time was not very clear. So it's a very nice place. A lot of foreigners here. The weather is very good. A lot of visitors here. These people are also visitors over here. Weather is very, very nice. So let me go to other places and do the recording. The trolleys, a lot of trolleys like this. So,
Jackie Gleason.
huh?
Jackie Gleason.
Okay.
Jackie Gleason Theater.
Okay.
We used to do it.
So this is sitting inside the trolley. Okay, this is a very famous chicken place called Rising Canes. It became a billion-dollar company based on the stocks. So this is like a trolley, and it is free. He is my friend now, and my tour guide. Okay. So this is Toys Tonight. See, even this trolley has a free Wi-Fi. Can you see here? There's a free Wi-Fi. Anywhere in the bus, there is a free Wi-Fi. He's talking to his sixth wife. Sixth wife we are going to meet. Madonna Club.
Okay. Okay, but you eat.
So, just with sitting in a trolley, you can go around, see a lot of places. But of course, it will all be online. But when you have someone, it will be more convenient, and he's a very confident white guy. Okay, he's a Navy person. He is a son got killed in Afghanistan. Only son. And he has 3 daughters, 6 wives, all ex-wives, because he drinks too much. Now he's talking with the 6th wife, whom he's going to introduce to me, who is an Argentina lady. A lot of tourists. This trolley is only mostly for tourist people. So this is called Washington Avenue. Washington Avenue. When I'm not recording, I see some interesting things. Then I start recording, just ordinary buildings are there. Like this, there are some very famous road. The famous road is Ocean Drive, then Lincoln Road, but nothing extraordinary to buy, only souvenirs and those things. Came out of the trolley, you see the word called start something. So I tell my friends, you have to start something in life. There's a trolley we came. So we are walking here this side. That's end of the side is called the South Point Park. South Point Park. And since it is afternoon time, maybe about 1,
How we doing, sir?
nearly 1, not even 1 p.m. So Charles told me it's exactly 1 o'clock. January
15.
Oh, 15 today. Oh, I thought it's 16. Okay. It's January 15th. I think in the initial recording I told January 16th. We are in the 6th Street.